In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Steam Group. Whether you're organizing friends for game nights, building a community around a favorite title, or setting up a hub for announcements and events, creating a group on Steam is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you're seeing along the way, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident from the start. First, open Steam. The desktop app is the most reliable way to do this, but the steps are the same if you're using the web version in a browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. If you just updated Steam, give it a moment to finish syncing. A steady internet connection helps the interface load all the menus properly. Next, move your mouse to the very top bar of Steam and hover over your username. You'll find it toward the upper right side of the window. Don't click yet, just hover. When you do, a drop-down menu appears. This menu is your quick path to profile-related pages, including your inventory, badges, friends list, and the option we want for this tutorial. From that drop-down, click Groups. This takes you to your Groups page, where you can see communities you've already joined or followed. It's a useful hub to revisit later if you want to manage memberships or discover new communities. If your Steam window is very narrow and you don't immediately see the option, try maximizing the window so the full top bar and menu display correctly. On the Groups page, look for the button that says Create a New Group or Create Group. Steam may show slightly different wording depending on your region or client version, but they both mean the same thing. Click that button. This opens the creation flow where Steam guides you through the rest with clear on-screen prompts. If anything looks unfamiliar, take your time. There's no rush, and you can always back up a step if needed. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't look right. Ensure you're using the official Steam client or the Steam community website, and check that you're signed into the correct account. If a menu doesn't appear when you hover, close and reopen Steam, or switch out of any special viewing modes so the standard top bar is visible. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, hover over your username on the top bar, click Groups, and then click Create a New Group or Create Group. From there, Steam walks you through the rest. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your community.